Well, talking about how I'm not talking about how all cars in the world. Well, the first time I'm not talking about when foreigners come to watch it. There is no rule, no order from our government, no order from no rule from our scholar. A couple months ago, when I went to Lampu Beach, I met foreigner. She's from German. When he talked back at the seashore, the beach, Lampu Beach, he used bikini. That people, that speaker from Lampu Beach do not give speech or rule about art. I don't want, because the first time we have to respect each other about our culture. This is Islamic. The most people, the lot of people in Islamic Aceh. From our country, Indonesia, the lot of people from Aceh have a good relationship from Islamic. But I don't like from that speaker from Lampu Beach. They don't give speech or the rule from use beginning when they got back in the beach. And then when I was in 2011, 18 almost 20 countries to do about show folklore and in South Korean Park. This is folklore. When every afternoon I saw with my eyes, they use hand and walk to mass, Raya mass. Everybody, the people, Merchant, look at that. And then the seller keep shopkeeper also.